Hello, David again at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2023 Cruiser 210. This is a tri-tune boat, performance level 2. It's powered with a Mercury 150. We have the CS floor plan with a rail system on the back, extended swim platform, flip-up cleats, nice wide boarding ladder, and some other features inside. Okay, now we're up on deck on this 210 Cruiser. We have cup holders on every corner. We have charge ports on every corner. Every other Harris, hinged seats with storage underneath. We have our port side walk-through, storage underneath the port side couch. Trash can on the aft port side couch. Our back seat is nice and fixed, does not move. There's storage underneath everything. 12-foot bimini top above our head. Our high back reclining chair with adjustable seat base goes up, down, front to back, turns. Our JL audio head unit with 6 speakers. Our wireless phone charger and our Simrad up on the helm. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'll show you the rest of it.